Hello there guys, and welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we will make some pasta with mushrooms and peas, so let's get started. But first make sure to add some salt to our pasta water. Into a large pan we will add some extra virgin olive oil and our brown mushrooms. We will cook our mushrooms on a high heat for at least 5 minutes until we remove some of the moisture. Make sure to stir from time to time. After 5 minutes we will add some chopped onions and some smashed garlic. Now it's time to add our pasta into the hot water. I'm using linguine and they cook for around 10 minutes. It's enough time to cook the mushrooms and the peas. Once the onion changed its color, we can now add the peas. I'm using frozen peas which were left into warm water for 5 minutes. Add some pasta water to help the peas cook faster. Make sure to stir in and toss all the ingredients together. Taste for seasoning, and I'm adding only pepper as the water from the pasta was already salted. Once the pasta is almost al dente, add some butter to our mushrooms and peas and keep stirring in. This will bring all the ingredients together. Add some more water from the pasta and toss in. Once the pasta is done, add it to our pan, add a little bit of water and keep stirring in. Now you want to cook this on a medium heat for 2 minutes. And guys, there you have it, pasta with mushrooms and peas. This should be done in under 15 minutes. It's very easy to make and delicious, and you should try it. Make sure to finish this with some grated Parmigiano Reggiano on top, some extra virgin olive oil and some more pepper. I really hope you enjoyed this video guys, and if yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Thank you, have a great day, bye!